This is a review of a $39 Tailgate bike pad that I found on Amazon. I needed it in a pinch. It's the only one that could get here tomorrow or next day that looked half decent. So I'm going to unbox it and then put it on the tailgate and let you know what I think about it. It's from Amuka. By the way, not a sponsored video. I bought this literally yesterday. Just want to put that out there. Let's see what's in the box. Comes in this pouch here. Nice drawstring bag, which I'm probably going to use for everything but the tailgate mat moving forward. Sort of just a fabric, like a stiff fabric material. And this looks like it's inside out. This would be the back, so first thing I see is reflective striping on the back, which is nice, I guess. This is your pouch for the tailgate handle, and then on the inside it looks like they give you some storage pouches. That I actually really like. I didn't even notice that in the photos when I bought it. That's good for like bike lights and, you know, wrenches, safety glasses if you use those while you're biking with bugs. And then they give you this Velcro. I have no clue what that's for, but I guess we'll find out. No instructions, but I mean, oh, I guess on the back of the box they got, I mean, this shouldn't be a difficult install. Adjust the straps to fasten the pad. Adjust the Velcro strap to secure the, oh, gotcha. These are for the bikes after the fact. That makes a lot of sense. So I'm gonna put the tailgate up and let's get this on. I'm actually gonna try and do this all in one shot. So just make sure you're centered with your handle, which you could see I'm centered there. So on a Ram 1500, that fits. I don't expect the fit to be perfect because, like, you know, this is a universal pad. And then there's 4 straps, it looks like. I'm gonna just, I guess, tuck these under the tailgate. I'm gonna try tucking these in the side here. I'm sure somebody's laughing at me right now watching this, but I've never done this before. I guess this will work. That's one. Try and get that sort of where that should be. I may have to just push this one to the side like I did this first one. Sort of get this in here. And then just bring it in. Two. Let's move to the other side. I'll tighten those after. There we go. So we got 3, and then we got 4. Straps are positioned. I'm going to put this back up. Just make sure, you know, ideally I like this to be kind of lower. Yeah, I like it to sit like that. So you can see how, like, that kind of doesn't sit perfect. You know, again, this is trying to be universal for all trucks, which I get. Just I want that low enough where it's centered with the handle. And then I'm going to try and just tighten these from the top, like that. Maybe a little too tight. So got it installed. Initial thoughts, I mean, it feels good. This is for 5 bikes, and I mean, we're only going to be putting 2 bikes on here, but I figured having it wider is probably better because, you know, with the tires just protecting more of the tailgate, I couldn't see a disadvantage to that. So let's take a bike here. These are e-bikes, so they're heavier than your average bike. They're about 50 odd pounds, and I'm just gonna put it on the tailgate and see if it fits. which I guess that's good. I don't know, I've never done one of these before. They give you these straps. Just have to go around the where the battery sits, like that. Overall, I couldn't find use for these straps. I'm going to play around with it more, but it holds it in pretty steady. I don't think that's going anywhere. Yeah, overall, I'd recommend it. I'll leave the link in the description of the video, but it holds it in tight. This one strap seems to do a good job. And at the front, I mean, I don't think it's going anywhere. We're about to take the truck and the trailer on a 200-mile road trip where we're going to be testing fuel economy, which I'm going to do another video on. And after we do that, if there's anything as far as this not holding up on highway speeds, I'll be sure to update you guys, but otherwise seems pretty sturdy.